We all love a little bit of greenery around us, but when it comes to thinking about hiring extra help to take care of it, the time invested, the maintenance, most of us take a step back. What if we were to offer you a complete green wall that is 100% hassle-free and zero maintenance? Now, when we tell you zero maintenance, it's definitely not a marketing gimmick, nor does it have any hidden clauses to it. When we tell you, we assure you that it is zero maintenance. Presenting to you Benetti Moss Wall. So what is a moss wall? A moss wall is actually made of lichen. Lichen is something which grows at a very slow rate. This lichen is actually sourced in from various parts of Turkey and the Scandinavian region. So once it's actually sourced, it's dried up naturally, and after that it's taken to a plant where it's been soaked in equal amounts of water and plant-based glycerin. And this is the process that makes our moss completely maintenance free. Now once we give you the Benetti moss, you have a wall that is 100% natural and zero maintenance. Now, what more could you ask for? Now, these moss walls can be used in different areas. It can be used indoors, in your homes, in your offices, in wellness centers, in schools, in hospitals, even in the lobby areas of many hotels. Now, this sort of greenery it actually brightens up a place. It gives a totally different dimension to your space, whether it be corporate, commercial, anything. Now, the process with this moss is that it can be dyed into, you don't have to just stick to your basics of just greens. The moss can actually be dyed into 12 colors, where you have your black, you have your purple, you have fuchsia, you have yellows, your oranges, 3-4 different shades of greens, etc. Now, the moss is actually being dyed by using food dye. Now, during our R&D session, when we were deciding on which moss and which product we should have as our next product vertical, we understood that certain moss started emitting a certain kind of odor from the material, started emitting a certain kind of odor, and the colors, once it came into contact with other materials, started passing off. Whereas with Benetti moss, we didn't find neither. So where do these what do these moss walls actually go into? You can have them as your logos, as any kind of design. Basically, it's always customized. Now, moss walls come in two backings. One is the aluminium backing, which goes on to plain walls, and if you have columns or pillars to cover, it comes in with a PVC backing, where just for the simple reason is that PVC backing is more flexible. Now, it can be designed into various shapes, designs. In other words, it's our moss, your creativity, and endless options.